अगर इजिप्ट के लोग अपनी सरकार को बदल सकते हैं, ट्यूनीशिया के लोग अपनी सरकार को बदल सकते हैं, हम तो अपनी सरकार भी नहीं बदलने के लिए कह रहे, हम तो एक कानून पास करने के लिए कह रहे हैं। Anna has said that if everyone in this country, abhi Lakshmi ji said that just one day students should taken off. I would like to stretch it a little further. If everyone in this country takes 1 week off, एक हफ्ता देश के नाम, एक हफ्ते की छुट्टी ले लीजिए सारे स्टूडेंट, सारे लोग, नर नारी, men women, and if you come on the streets of this country, you don't need to come to Jantar Mantar, don't come to Jantar Mantar. Wherever, just come on the streets in front of your house, in the park, at the crossings, wherever you want to, with a tricolor in your hand and shouting slogans of Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Inqilab Zindabad. I think within 1 week's time we can force the government to bow down to the wishes of the people of this country. एक हफ्ते के अंदर इस देश की संसद और इस देश की सरकार को हम लोगों के सामने झुकना पड़ेगा अगर इस देश के सारे लोग छुट्टी लेके एक हफ्ते के लिए सड़कों के ऊपर उतर आए। They can crush one Anna Hazare, they cannot crush 120 crore Anna Hazares. They can impose section 144 on one Jantar Mantar, they cannot impose a curfew on the entire country. Friends, in my opinion, this is a rare opportunity. It's a rare chance that we have all got. If we fail this time, I don't know when will we get the next chance after how many decades. We cannot afford to fail this time. Every one of you will have to participate, and without your participation, Anna will not be able to succeed. सब लोगों को सड़क पे करना पड़ेगा. There are some programs which have been chalked out. I will just announce those programs. From 1st August to 9th August, we are urging people to go to the villages.
Hello. So friends, this is the video handing over the control to Parag. Thank you very much.
What an educated speech. I think all of us are now more informed about Jan Lokpal than before. We all need to fight for this common cause. It's not. And we all need to fight for this common cause. It's not Anna's war, it's not my war, it's everybody's war. All of us want to contribute, but we don't know how. I'm not in India, I'm sitting in Hong Kong. NRIs like you and me can contribute. To take you through how NRIs like us can help the movement in India, I'll invite Dilip and Vinod to make a short speech.